Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. We're currently on our way to Mount Gambier, and if you watched the last minute of our last video, then yes, this is the same time as then. But yeah, I didn't get a chance to wrap up the last video, so I'm doing it at the same time. But yeah, new video on our way to Mount Gambier. 3-day drift Matsuri. Street drifting, legal street drifting, the only one they do in Australia, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, Adam Lzed is going to be here. It's going to be sick. Hopefully get to put it on his door. Hope so. Hopefully not go through him. But yeah, he's going to be drifting his Aussie built replica 180SX. So should be an epic weekend. Yeah, got knackers behind the camera there. And in front of us is Ben in his Skyline and Maxi passengering. So yeah, we're cruising to Mount Gambier. We're like almost 2 hours in now, and about 2 hours to go. Yeah, super keen. So yeah, stay tuned for some epic drift action. Alright, we've made it to the motel, finally. My back is ashed. Yeah, crack a beer, go get some Maccas, see you in the morning. Fuck yeah. Alright, next morning in Mount Gambier. Bit breezy. Rain not yet, but possibly coming. Yeah, we're gonna head to the track. Yeah, let's get it. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Not bad. It's pretty cool. All the drift cars are cruising down the mountain. Yeah, sick's this.
Don't go, tell me that the lights won't change. Tell me that you'll feel the same, and we'll stay here forever.
Alrighty, looking pretty set up. Got the new gazebo set up. Cars unloaded. Yeah, boys. Bit of a track walk. Weather's looking alright for now. Yeah. So just rub your ass up against that. That's pretty much what's going to be happening. This thing is so cool. The most beautiful spot to have a drift event though. So nice down here. Sun's out at the moment and it's a little bit blowy, but if that rain stays away, it's going to be an absolute ripper. Fuck, the scenery is nice though. Looking pretty set up. Probably going to cook, get the gas cooker going, cook some snacks for brekkie. Yeah, keen as. Had a chat to Adam before, that was pretty cool. Seems like a decent dude. out here, having a blast, sick fun. We are starting to get the feel for it now. Nerves are going away a bit, starting to give it a bit more send. I think the clutch is holding up okay, but I don't have as much grip on the rear, so next set of tyres are going to get some PSI in them. But we're just over the other side of the mountain because my rear bar is like half off. I got nothing over this side to put it back on or to take it off, so someone's gone drifting back that way. They're going to drift back this way and bring some cable ties. Yeah, no, she's going alright. Me and Knacker's almost swung into a wall. Slid a long one. Yeah, just need to cable tie that back up and we'll be back out there blitzing. Yeah, a little bit of a scrape on a water barrier, I think. Not bad. Good size. Alrighty, so I haven't been filming much. I've just been trying to get the hang of the track and get some sick driving in. Starting to get the feel for it, but just snapped my throttle cable bracket, so Ben's taken that in the Skyline to a local workshop, get her all welded up. I'm gonna get a feed. I'm starving, but man, this track is sick fun. It's a bit tricky at first, and I'm just trying to battle third gear, trying to get it to grab it, but it's gonna help if I can actually get full throttle. The throttle cable bracket was like snapped and flexing like a cunt, but yeah, hopefully when that gets back, we gotta get some more practice in, start getting it. Well, that's the end of today for the drifting side of things. We called it maybe 45 minutes early. The car's just getting, oh, I'm pumped. There's a hike back to the tow vehicle. But yeah, the car's getting a bit leaner than I'd like. It's getting worse and worse as it gets hot and throughout the day. It's a good way to blow my freshly forged motor up. So I had to put a stop to it. Hopefully get it fixed tonight for tomorrow. Got a feeling it's the fuel pump. maybe it's just not getting the power it needs. It's still got all the stock factory fuel pump wiring. I've tampered with it a little bit, but it's pretty much just factory. So I might try to just wire a direct relay and fuse on a switch, and the relay will just go straight from the battery to the fuel pump, so it's just got solid good power, and then try that. Hopefully that fixes it. Really don't want to be drifting on it with it running that lean. Really don't want to blow it up, but yeah, still a sick day. Started to get the hang of things a little bit by the end there. I reckon if I can get the car fixed tomorrow, we're going to be absolutely getting down. Didn't get to do any tandeming today, but plenty of time for that. Well, that's a wrap on today. I'm going with suspected faulty O2 sensor now instead of fuel pump. So I'm going to try to get one of these from Burson's in the morning. Chances of them having one, probably not in my favour, but yeah, see how we go. Hopefully I can get one. Otherwise I'll be asking around, but chances are if I can't get one, I'm going to be up shit creek, aren't we?
Up shit creek.
I like this shit. I'm going to fucking tackle when we get back to the hotel.
I'll be second straight up.
A few cars are staying in here. They locked this whole gardens section off. Got security here for the night. Pretty nifty out here. Don't have to pack up, which is neat. Rear bar's probably seen better days. Oh, just a straight up party car. Look at him go. Look at him go. Probably gonna need to chock the wheels. Shit. What's that, Nagus? Can we get that again?
Don't know, mate. Don't know.
Not sure.
What just happened?
Alright, that's this video to a close. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Smack that like button. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Hopefully get on some doors if we can get the car fixed up. Yeah, keen. See you in the next one.